the APMP practitioner exam look like? How does it actually look like? So in any scenario-based competency exam, you will have a scenario, you have a question, and you have an answer. Exactly the same thing here in the practitioner OT. You have a scenario. Scenario could be in any scenario. It's normally like a company talking about a bid and proposal objective, why they are procuring, or they're procuring, the time scale, procurement time scales, milestones, what challenges they are facing, what progress they have made, and how are they going to evaluate the tender, and who are the other bidding organization that's going for it, and what's the difference between those two. So a customer, 2 or 3 providers giving details about how the procurement currently works, and you need to apply the answers based on the best practices and based on the scenario. The questions, as you saw, could vary in 6 different types, as I already touched in the previous video, where it could be like a straightforward question of what is this, how do you apply, or it could very well be like what do you do first, or it could be like an assessment based, where you also see, okay, if this is right, is the other one is right. So the 6 different types of questions will be there. Then finally you just pick the answer booklet and you just write the answer. So you have the question booklet, you have the answer booklet, and you have the scenario booklet. So you just need to refer the scenario with the question, then go with the answer. That's what makes it slightly tricky, maybe time consuming, like any scenario based question. So don't underestimate the time impact in this whole OTE exam.